So as we've been learning about nets and those 3D shapes and the names of them, we have been looking at the surface area. So surface area is what we are going to call, I'm just trying to make this bigger here. Sorry, you can probably hear kids in the background. I thought I was awake early enough, but I'm not. So surface area is going to be the sum of all of the areas of each surface. So, right, so we're taking each of those surfaces and we're putting them all together. So each surface area. So my favorite strategy is to kind of draw out a net. So I'm going to take that shape and it is to draw I'm going to say a net, because I don't draw it so that it has to fold up. I just like to draw the individual shapes I see and say how many of them there are. So to draw a net, to label measurements, solve each one, and then add them all up. So we're going to take a look at what I mean for each of those, what I mean by draw a net. So if you want to just unfold it and draw what it would look like flat, that's awesome. But I just like to say like, oh, this would be a square, this would be a triangle, and I make them each separate. Just it's a little easier for me to label that way. So we'll go ahead and try out a few of those different shapes.